So what is your thought? Because when I was in school, and you're in a better school than I was in, I hated school. I didn't like it. I'd wake up at 7 every morning like you do, but I'd ride a big yellow bus to school. I'd go there. I didn't know why I was there. The classes weren't interesting. And on the back end, people were like, oh, just wait till you're done. You'll use it. As a 30-year-old, I've never once used the stuff I learned in school. And I think with your school, it's different because they're teaching you a lot more, and there's arts and there's different things. But like for you, like as a kid, what's your viewpoint on school, and like how does that apply to your future?
So, school, as we all know, we go there so we know what to do when we work.
Mm-hmm.
So let's say a preschool kid goes to school and they learn, for example, they do some math, and all they learn is to add up till 50, and then time to go to work, and then they go to work, and where everyone knows I don't know, up to 1 million or something, and all that other stuff, and then the kid goes there, and all he's used it for is literally nothing. That's all he knows.
This sounds familiar, huh? The current employees.
So
people on the market.
Reason why. So they should work in the school until they know everything they need to know. Without school, they would just go to work, and then what are we gonna do?
Yeah.
What are we supposed to do? Even at that point, if it was the very beginning age where they did this, at this point, people like us going to that kind of universe, it would suck. You just want to get out of that place right now.
Yeah, it would be boring. And you're probably going to graduate early. Like, Robert, did you go to public school, or you went to a private school?
Yeah, most of the time was public.
Public.
2 years of private.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you probably had the same experience I had, where it's like, why am I here? What am I learning?
Yeah.
What is it for?
And then a lot of this stuff, when you go to high school later on, it's more like, okay, we're prepping you for college.
Yeah.
And then you're like, why am I going to go to college?
Yeah.
Do I even know what I want to do with my life?
I took geometry. So when I was in middle school, and you're about to go into middle school, I was straight A's every year. A, every single subject. And I did that through till about 10th grade. And they kept putting me in advanced math classes because I was really good at math. So they're like, okay, let's put you, I think they considered having me skip 7th grade at one point. And then when I got to 10th grade, every time I would pass the test, they would just give me the next advanced math class. And I didn't know why I was learning this stuff. I was learning advanced geometry. My older brother was also straight A's, so they put him in a subject called calculus. And I was like, I don't know when I'm ever going to learn calculus. So I was kind of like you said, I was like, I don't really want to do that anymore. So I purposefully started getting bad grades so that I didn't have to keep getting these next advanced math courses. But I remember in geometry, which you learn about shapes and angles, the only thing I remember from the whole class is a term called the latus rectum. And the only reason I remember it is because it has the word rectum in it, and rectum means butt. And that's an example of there was no purpose behind me learning this stuff. I was like, why do I need to learn how to measure an octagon?
So the reason why so some of these things you might learn, you might not need, but you think the whole entire school is focusing on you and what you need to learn for the future?
Mm-hmm.
So they have all these subjects because many people remember different things.
I remembered latus rectum.
Yes.
Yes.
And someone else might remember something else.
Yeah.
Something completely else.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject? It's something like creative writing, or creative writing is where you write stories that you have to make up.
Yeah.
Reading. I like those creative things.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I do need math in my life, so I still work on math.
Yeah. Well, you need math because math is money.